use, and we need to go to y equals. Okay, go in your calculator, go to y equals. And we're going to put in the original equation. Okay, so go ahead and go to y equals, do square root of 2x plus 2. Then we can graph this. Okay, go ahead and put in this equation right here. Square root of 2x plus 2. Okay, and then you do second graph to get the table. -1 is 0. Thank you. Okay, what's +1, Alvaro? Right. 2. Did you do 2x? There you go. Okay. 1, 2, and then 3 is going to be a decimal. I like to use whole numbers when I can, but 3 is going to have to be 2.8. Okay. So then over here, we'll switch it all. 0, 2, 2.8, -1, 1, 3. Okay, and then I'm just going to plot those on here. -1, 0. 1, 2. And we only need about 3 points to see that it's going to be a square root graph. 3, 2.8. 3, 2.8 is about right there. You know, and I can just do this. It's a curved graph, so just do your best. I think those are a little more forgiving. Okay, that's my original f of x. Okay, and then here I'm going to do 0, -1, 2, 1, and 2.83. So it's going to curve upward like this. And you can see that it's half of the parabola. You know, like if it went over here, it would be a whole parabola. And this one is f inverse of x. And again, I'm going to plot my line of reflection, okay, so that I can see. That's just a way of checking and making sure that I did my graph right. If it goes right through the middle, then I did. And anytime the two graphs cross, they should cross right on the line of reflection, which I'm seeing there. Okay. And we can glue that down. And the last one is the easiest one. Okay, sometimes it gets harder as the notes go on, but the last one is by far the easiest. Okay, I'm gonna have to flip on to my last page to do that. But my last one is you can glue this horizontal line test down at the top. Okay, the horizontal line test, again, it's the easiest thing. It goes back to the yes or no question. Is it a function, yes or no? Okay, this is a yes or no question, yes or no. All right, and I'm going to tell you how to tell, yes or no. All right, is it a function, yes or no? Okay, and the way you can tell is very easy. They will give you a graph. Right, you draw a horizontal line across the graph, okay? That's like this, like this. Okay, there's two examples right here. If the horizontal line crosses only one place on your graph, only once, then yes. It is a function. Okay, it only crossed one time. This is the horizontal line right here. Okay, if the horizontal line that you draw crosses more than once, and I didn't say twice because it could be even more than twice. Could be a million times. Okay, more than once, then no. It's not a function. Can only cross one time. Okay, in order to be a function, using the horizontal line test, the horizontal line that you draw yourself can only cross one time. Okay, so on number 6, we're asking, is the inverse a function? Again, like I said, it's a yes or no question. I'm going to draw 3 graphs, and we're going to do the horizontal line test and say yes or no. Okay? Hey, again, these graphs don't have to be good. Okay? They just have to be somewhat what I've drawn. A, B, C. Okay, they do not have to be perfect. They do not have to be calculated. Right? They just give you a graph. You don't have to worry about the points. They give you a graph. You draw a horizontal line. You answer yes or no based on your